Today we talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now to sign out or check you just click here on sign out here. So when you just click on it here, then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account here on your Zello app. So that's all you have to do to sign out of your account. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.